Hey, fourth grade, happy Friday, Junior. All right, so today we're going to be doing lesson 6.7 and we're going to be comparing fractions, which means we're going to be looking at if they are less than, greater than, or equal to each other. Okay, and I have a really quick way that we can solve these too. All right, you remember back when we were doing equivalent fractions and checking to see if fractions were equal to each other? What method did we use? Yes, we used the butterfly method. Well, we get to use that same method today. Here's how we're going to do that. Let me show you this example. Okay, so we've got 3/4 and 5/6, and we need to figure out if they're less than, greater than, or equal to each other. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to do the butterfly method the same way, okay? 4 times 5 is 20. Very good. And again, it is very, very important that you put the number always at the top by the numerator, okay? Very important. Then what do? Correct. Then we're going to cross multiply the other side. 6 times 3 is 18. Very good. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at these two numbers. Which number is larger? Very good. 20 is larger, which means that 5/6 is the greater fraction. Okay, so we would read this as 3/4 is less than 5/6, because remember our alligator mouth, like we learned it in first grade, second grade, whenever, always eats the bigger number or fraction in this case. So this is 3/4 is less than 5/6. All right, if you don't have a paper and pencil, go get one so that you can do these with me. Okay, 3/5 compared to 7/10. What do we do first? Very good. We're going to cross multiply using our butterfly method like this. 5 times 7 is, very good, 35 is correct. Okay, and then what do? Very good. We're going to cross multiply going the other way. 10 times 3 is 30. Wonderful. Okay. And then we're going to look at these two numbers that we put up by our numerators. Which number is larger, 30 or 35? Very good. This 35 is larger, which means that 7/10 is the larger fraction. So we are going to make sure that our symbol is going the right way so that we can read this as 3/5 is less than 7/10. All righty, let's do one more together. All righty, so now we've got 2/6 and 1/3. What do I do first? Very good. I'm going to cross multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. Very good. And then I'm going to cross multiply this way. 3 times 2 is 6. Very good. All right, so I've got 6 and 6. Very good. That means these are equal to each other. All right, and that's it. That's how you compare fractions. You can do them with, you can use the butterfly method like we used to check and see if a fraction are equivalent. You can do the same thing to compare fractions to each other. And we're going to work more with this tomorrow as well, just a little bit more in depth. All right, guys, have a great Thursday. Make sure you're always checking your folders for any assignments, and I will see you tomorrow for the last lesson of Chapter 6.